I won't be doing this in a stream of events like I did last time with the main worlds and the post game. But I will do this once in a while, and I will probably go back and do a bonus level every once in a while. Okay, I keep saying every once in a while, every time. Okay, maybe just stop. Normally this would cost Robux, but now it's no longer. So, I guess I'm going to do the one that's closest to me. Clockwork Relic. 8 red coins. Still scattered. Like there. Oh my gosh, come on. Seriously? Oh, I see how it works. I see how it works, though. Oh gosh. That's a weird jump. Or I could just go here. But there's a red coin there. Can't miss it. I'm 100%. I'm a completionist. I'm now a completionist, not like a person who just complete the game, then I'm all over. Oh, seriously? The camera was acting a bit weird. But I sense this section. Oh, they just brings me back. No, thank you. There's a red coin there. Can't miss it. Oh, there it is. There's the way up. Yeah, that's a lot longer than normal. And that's for a reason. Just made it only for me to die. "15 seconds" is a lot longer than normal. They could definitely edit the time limit. That could be useful when if there was a level editor. Don't move. Stick around with my very quiet feet. Wait, what? Oh, I see. I see. I see. Every nook and cranny can be anywhere. It can be anywhere. Some few of them really hit them very well. Nope. Not here. Okay, so I need to get to Salt Blade as quick as possible. Okay, I see how it is, but it causes me to backtrack. Which unfortunately I can't do. Be right back. Yes, I got it. That wasn't that hard, it's just called speed running. Hammers. Oh, there's a red coin right there. Up top, the ones up top of Thwomps is one of the obvious ones. Well, I'm definitely liking some red coin locations. They really want to make you look all over the place. Okay, this one's 8 seconds. I hear the noise of the star. I hear the noise of the star. It might be in there since it's open. But still got this parts. Here we got another. I really recommend you to zoom out. Zoom out. It really helps. Yeah. The star is probably in there. Which means I could be missing. I'm definitely missing 2 coins. Huh. So it's a climb up. So it's a climb up to up. It's a climb up there. Okay. We're not done yet. Red coins can still be anywhere. Otherwise, I have to walk through. I'm really in focus to find these coins other than like the main event. There's a red coin. Ah. Just like usual, I'm missing one. Just like usual, I am missing one. It's going to tend to be common. But it's not going to be over till it's 100%. Even if it's one short. That was a platform. Yep, there it is. I am missing one. Oh, it's right there. The zoom out really helped. So nope, I do not have to go anywhere. And yes, that's the only star. Okay, actually, I think I should want to do this in order, like synthetic, Cascade, up and away, superstar, carnival, all the way like that. But I'm going to have to skip Clockwork Relic. I just did the one closest. Final Firestorm. That's Final Firestorm. That's something away for the end of the bonus. Well then, thank you guys so much for watching. See you all next time. Yep, this is a short video. Well, bye-bye. Also, plus, I think I should actually, bye-bye.